Good morning, children. I would like to welcome each and everyone to the EVS class. And children, we have already finished lesson number 9. That the name of the lesson was "What should I eat?" We have learned in that particular topic about the food we eat, then the 3 meals of the day. Then even we have learned about the food that protects our body from different diseases. Then we have also learned about the food that gives us energy, that food that help us to grow and become strong. Now today in this lesson, that is lesson number 10, in the kitchen we are going to learn something new. So let us see what are the subtopics of this lesson. So the subtopic of this lesson is raw food and cooked food. So raw food and cooked food. Number 2, reasons to cook food. Number 3, cooking and serving vessels. Number 4, good cooking and eating habit. So we are going to learn about these topics one after another. So first topic for today's is raw food and cooked food. So topic for the day is raw food and cooked food. So learning outcome, what will be, children? Students will be able to define the term raw food and cooked food. You will be able to define raw food and cooked food. Okay, so let us start our class. Children, the very first picture is the picture of a raw food, that is fruits and vegetables that can be eaten raw, isn't it? Yeah, different fruits and vegetables you have seen that can be eaten raw. Now, what is the meaning of raw? That is uncooked. Uncooked food is known as raw food. Uncooked, UNCOOKED. Uncooked food is known as raw food. Okay, in raw that we eat salad. You can say most of you love eating salads of different vegetables. Fruit salad also we enjoy. So those are raw food. Okay, children. Now moving to the next slide. It is the cooked food. You can see there are different things, that rice. We know rice we get from cereals. Then wheat also, that roti. It comes from cereals. There are sabjis, different vegetables like mutter and all. Then pulses. Then we have different kinds of pulses that need to be cooked. You can't eat those items raw. Even meat and fishes, you can't eat it raw. You have to cook it and eat the food. So what is the meaning of cooked food? That the food that is being used to boil or fry or even bake, that is the cooked food. Okay, and why we eat cooked food? Because it is good for our health, and some food that can't be eaten raw. You can't eat a raw chicken, isn't it? So you can't eat uncooked rice. You can't eat. You can't eat an uncooked atta, that is from wheat. You can't eat. So you have to cook it and you have to eat. So children, now let us move to the next slide. Here is the both you can eat raw and cooked. This picture is of both raw and cooked. Raw tomato, you can eat it as salad also, raw. Then even you can prepare it. You can make tomato curry, isn't it? Onion also you can eat raw, and you can fry onion also. We do. Then same in the case of beet and broccoli. We cook it or we make it, we eat raw. Isn't it, children? This picture is of raw and both cooked food. Okay, you can even cook this food. So now let us start with an activity. So write names of few raw food and cooked food, which will be your homework, and in the next live class I'll be asking you all to say it one by one about the raw food and the cooked food. Okay. Now next what we have, questions for the day. So what are the questions from this particular topic? Think and write the food items that can be eaten both raw and cooked. So just now I have shown the slide where you have seen some food items that can be eaten both raw as well as cooked. So the second question, Reena had dal and roti in her lunch. Which type of food did she eat? You know dal and roti. Dal, there are different pulses we get from the dal. Then roti we get from wheat. So now in her lunch she ate dal and roti. So you have to say which type of food did she ate, whether it's a raw food or a cooked food. Okay children, these are the important things we have discussed in our lesson, and please do the activity in the live class. I'll be asking one by one to everyone. Okay children, and please try to solve this question also, and we'll be discussing in the live class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day ahead.